Welcome back. Now, Kemar Roach got his first 5-wicket haul since returning to Test cricket as the West Indies produced another spirited effort on day 2 of their third and deciding test against England at Lords. The Windies closed on 93 for 3, a lead of 22 runs in the second innings.
England hold the upper hand in the third test at Lords on a day where James Anderson claimed his 500th test wicket.
Bowled in! It's an elite club and Anderson's just joined it. Fabulous moment.
Starting day 2 at 4 for 46, England lost Ashes hopeful David Milan early.
The wicket again. The muted celebration, he's done it before, he'll do it again.
Rain then halted play before the Windies gave Ben Stokes a life.
Just as he's moved that man, it was a great effort from Hope, but it would have gone straight to third slip.
The all-rounder went on to make 60.
Gone this time.
As Stuart Broad's 38 lifted England to 194 and a lead of 71 runs.
Smashed away over the slips.
It means a lot. A lot of players went before me, Courtney Walsh, Malcolm Marshall. To be a part of that is an amazing feeling. A lot of players have come here and never got it done. So to be a part of that board is a history. So for me, and like, you know, it's just about getting better as a cricketer and going forward and probably doing it again if I come back here. I've learned my art a little bit more. I'm more experienced. Obviously, I've been talking to past players as well, Corey Cullimore, guys that played in England for a couple of years. So coming here, I was prepared. So obviously I know how to bowl on certain pitches and obviously the length and stuff that's going to be crucial. So I must say kudos to those guys for helping me out, and it's all about me going out there and just exhibiting what I've learned and putting the best foot forward.
Anderson needed just a dozen balls to collect Test wicket number 500.
Fabulous moment.
Yeah, welcome to the club, Jimmy Anderson. What a delivery to get it bowled out the middle stump. 500 Test match wickets. Great stuff.
Ideally, I'd have got it out of the way first day, but Ben didn't want me to, so I had to wait till today.
Broad chipped in with the wicket of Kyle Hope.
Yeah, that's got to be out. Yes, given.
Before Anderson produced a peach to remove Kyron Powell.
What an absolute ripper.
The Windies finished the day at 3 for 93, a lead of 22 runs.
A historic day, really, at Lords.
Game situations are a big help. I felt a bit emotional actually on the field because I knew my family were there in the crowd, my kids, and my mum and dad, and missus. So yeah, for that, knowing that they were there made it very special. Sharing it with guys that I've played over 100 tests with, again, an amazing sort of feeling to see how pleased they were for me. Made it a bit emotional for a couple of overs, but then got my focus back. 2
guys at the crease now, 2 of the best batters in the team. I think once they can go along and put a good size of lead on the board, I think we're up for it. The borders have been ready. I think that we've been doing a great job. We've been practicing hard. We've been doing all the right things. So it's just about one more run and get the job done.